Peter was one of Jesus' closest disciples. He promised to stay faithful to Jesus no matter what. But on the night Jesus was arrested, Peter became afraid. 3 times, he said he did not know Jesus. When the rooster crowed, Peter remembered Jesus' words. He felt deep shame and regret. After Jesus rose from the dead, he met his disciples again. One morning, Jesus stood by the sea while Peter was fishing. Jesus called out to them and prepared a meal. After they finished eating, Jesus spoke directly to Peter. Jesus asked him, "Do you love me?" Peter answered, "Yes, Lord, you know that I love you." Jesus asked him again, and then a third time. Each time Peter answered, "Yes, Lord." And each time Jesus responded, "Feed my sheep." Jesus did not remind Peter of his failure. Jesus gave Peter a new purpose. This story reminds us of a powerful truth. Failure is not the end of your story. Jesus does not turn away from broken people. He restores them with love. If you have failed, do not give up. If you feel ashamed, come back to Jesus. He is the God of second chances, and He is not finished with you. If this story encouraged you, please like and subscribe for more Bible stories and weekly encouragement.